D is for dog. D, D, dog. D is for duck. D, D, duck. D is for door. D, D, door. D is for drum. D, D, drum. Let's dance with D and say hooray. D is dynamite today. Wow. So many wonderful words start with D. Let's see if you can say them with me. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Can you beat the drum? Boom, boom, boom. You're doing delightfully. Now let's learn to write the letter D. Get your pencil, crayon, or even your finger in the air. Draw a straight line down. Then make a big curve from the top to the bottom. That's big D. First, make a small circle. Then draw a line up and down on the right side. That's small d. Say it with me. Big D, small d, 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 D. It's game time. I'll say some words. If the word starts with D, clap your hands. If it doesn't, stay still. Ready? Let's go. Dog, clap. Cat, no clap. Door, clap. Ball, no clap. Drum, clap. Fish, no clap. Yay, you did it. That was dynamic. Time for a funny D tongue twister. Say it slowly first, then faster. Dancing dinosaurs drum down the desert. Now again. Dancing dinosaurs drum down the desert. Faster. Dancing dinosaurs drum down the desert. You're amazing. D says D, D says D. Drum and duck and door and dog. Big D, small d, we can write. D is fun and D's just right. Dance and sing, come along. The letter D makes a happy song. Fantastic work, friends. You learned the letter D, its sound, its words, and how to write it. You're doing great. Next time, we'll learn the exciting letter E. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more alphabet and phonics fun. Bye-bye, D. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.
Hello, like on this video, subscribe, press the bell icon, and share on this video your family, friends, and other WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much.